Hey everyone, it's Tom from Two River Computer. Since we're on the second floor, we actually had a computer elevator installed. For you old folks, that's a dumbwaiter. So if you see the sign here, when you come in either the front door or the back door, it'll point you towards the computer elevator. So let's go take a look. So whether you come in the front door or the back door, if you go down the center hallway, you'll see the signs for the computer elevator. And right on the front, we have instructions which basically say, make sure that you push the down button, make sure the car is here, open the door. You can see the car in there, not very fancy. But you simply place your computer in there, close the door, hit the up button, and we'll go upstairs to go greet our computer. Okay, so we now come upstairs, greet whoever's at the counter. No one's here right now because it's pretty early, and tell them that we sent the computer up. Here's the shop. So we sent the computer up in the computer elevator, and voila, there she is, ready to be taken care of.